I'm Gerald Santos. I'm the chairman for this project, Women of Hope. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa East Ave Medical Center in partnership with Kasuso Foundation. One of the main reasons why we're doing this is to elevate their mood para mapaggaan kahit sa sandaling oras na pinagdadaanan nila, maalis natin sa kanilang isip ang burden na stress, struggles nang dahil dun sa operation or surgery na pinagdaanan nila.
Now, what we're doing here, we have a talk for life coaching that would help them out, and also having a little event right now where they get to paint and explore their artistic side or their creative side.
Sobrang salamat po sa JCI Manila for bringing up this kind of activity. Napakalaking bagay po ito para matulungan kami mentally. Hindi lang po emotional experience namin, kundi na ilabas namin yung art. Marunong pala kami sa art. Ang saya kasi may talent pala kami na ilalabas namin kung paano mapaganda yung mga artwork namin.
Lastly, I want to thank our sponsors and our partners. Maraming salamat po.